Hello everyone, this is me Pooja Taniwali from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am reviewing the very famous and inspiring TEDx, that is Teach for Tomorrow's World, presented by David Garner. First of all, I would like to give a short intro of David Garner. David Garner is an educator and a speaker who is very passionate about improving education and preparing students for their future. In this TEDx, he discussed how teaching methods need to change to meet the demands of rapidly evolving world. So this was about David Garnier. Let's move towards his review. So in his talk, David Garnier explained that the world is changing very faster than ever before because of this science, technology, AI, innovation, globalization, and so on. Many of the jobs that students will have in the future may be not even exist today because nowadays this AI replace many job market. So because of this, schools also must prepare student with skills rather than their academic curriculum that go beyond traditional academic knowledge. He also believed that education should focus not only teaching facts and information but also on helping students to develop their important life skills, to focus on their creativity, their talent, so that they can be a problem solver for themselves and for others as well. These also include critical thinking, creativity, communication skills, confidence, collaboration, problem solving, etc. According to Garnier, these skills will help students succeed in both of their lives, either it is for their career or either it is personal life. He also pointed out that many classrooms still rely on the traditional teaching methods because what we learn today, what we study today in our schools, in our universities, colleges, and any educational institution have been designed many past years ago. So, therefore, he said that many classrooms still rely on the traditional teaching methods. Okay, while he said that knowledge is important, he argues that students should also be encouraged to ask questions, to explore their ideas, to show their talent, to show their creativity, and also to think independently. Another important message in this talk I noticed is the need to make this learning, to make today's learning more engaging and more meaningful. Students will learn better definitely when they are actively involved in the learning process. So, teachers should encourage students, engage students with other classmates, and also with the teachers as well. Teachers should create opportunities for students for discussion, for collaboration, for teamwork, and for hand on activities that connect learning to real life situations and that may be more entertaining and interesting for the students rather than just giving them boring lectures. Gardner also emphasizes the importance of adaptability since technology and society are consistently changing. Students need to become lifelong learners who are willing to learn new skills throughout their lives. The main key lessons from this TED Talk are the following: that the future is changing rapidly and the education also must keep up. A student needs skills such as creativity, such as their challenge, such as critical thinking, communication skills, collaboration, problem solving, and so on. So, learning should be active, it should be, we can say that engaging, it should be connected to real life. Schools should prepare students to become lifelong learners rather than just relying on the academic curriculum, rather than just relying on the grades, good marks, degree, and so on. So, teachers should inspire students to think independently and also solve problems. In my opinion, the TEDx is very, very informative and also very inspiring because it made me realize that success in the future will require more than just good grades. Students need practical skills, confidence, and the ability to adapt to change in their self. I especially like the idea from the TEDx that education should prepare students not only for exams but also for their lives, for their future, for solving their problems and others' people. So this was about this TEDx from my side. What I learned from this TEDx, I shared with you. I hope you all enjoy this session and get much more knowledge and insightful information from here. So be happy and be positive and also stay connected with me for more upcoming and inspiring sessions, for more upcoming ChatGPT sessions, for more upcoming TEDx review. So connected with me. Inshallah, will meet you very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.